Your spine is the rainbow bridge, and your brain is the city of the gods. This isn't a metaphor, it's your literal biology. We've been told that Yggdrasil is a giant tree in space holding 9 realms. But the Vikings weren't looking at the sky, they were looking at the human nervous system. Today, we're decoding the biological map hidden in the world tree, and by the end of this video, you'll see why Odin's greatest sacrifice was actually the first brain hack in history. In biomythology, Yggdrasil is the central nervous system. The trunk isn't wood, it's bone and marrow. The 9 realms, they aren't planets. They are the 9 distinct operating systems of your consciousness. Let's start at the bottom. 3 roots reach into the abyss: Niflheim, Muspelheim, and Helheim. This is your enteric nervous system, your gut brain. In the wild, survival is a binary choice: fire or ice. This is your biological hardware for homeostasis. If these roots aren't balanced, your tree withers before it even grows. The Vikings knew if you can't control the fire and ice in your gut, you'll never reach the gods in your head. Now, the trunk, the ash tree itself. This is the pillar that holds Midgard, your physical reality, together. This is the Bifrost. In mythology, it's a bridge made of light. In biology, it's a highway of bioelectrical signals traveling at 250 miles per hour. Every thought you have must travel this bridge to become an action. If the bridge is shaky, you feel anxious. If it's broken, your world falls apart. We call it flow, but the Vikings called it walking the rainbow bridge. At the very top sits Asgard, the realm of the Aesir. To find it, you don't look up, you look behind your forehead. This is the Neocortex. Asgard is the seat of strategy, justice, and logic. But notice the inhabitants. There's a squirrel named Ratatoskr who runs from the roots to the crown carrying insults. Ratatoskr is the ancient name for neurotransmitters. He is the chemical messenger that tells your gods what your serpent is doing. If the squirrel is too fast, you're stressed. If he's too slow, you're depressed. The myth is telling you your mood is a messenger. But here is the secret loop. Odin didn't just find the runes. He hung from the tree, pierced by a spear, and sacrificed his eye. Why? Because to unlock the highest realms, the light of Alfheim, you have to shut down the outer sight. In biomythology, this is neuroplasticity through stress. By pushing his body to the literal brink, Odin forced his brain to rewire itself. He gave up his physical eye to gain inner vision. He wasn't being punished. He was performing the world's first documented deep work protocol. You are not a person looking at a tree. You are the tree, your nerves are the branches, and your potential is the light in the crown. You don't need to find Yggdrasil, you just need to wake it up. Because Yggdrasil isn't a place you find in the stars. It's a map of the stars inside your own body.